Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer SEO traffic to affiliate offers with Google Search Console, full guide step by step clearly. Open Google Search Console and log into your account. Select the website you want to work with from the list. Once on the dashboard, navigate to the performance report. Review the key metrics such as total clicks, impressions, average CTR, and average position. Identify the top performing pages that receive significant organic traffic. Click on the Pages tab to see the list of those pages. Take note of the pages that rank well but may not be fully optimized for conversions. Analyze the keywords driving traffic to those top pages by clicking on the Queries tab. Make a list of relevant keywords that align with your affiliate offers. Evaluate the relevance of your existing content to those keywords. Consider updating the content on those pages to include your affiliate offers naturally. Incorporate enticing calls to action to guide visitors toward your affiliate link. Ensure that the affiliate offers are well integrated within the existing context of your content. Use internal linking to connect your high-traffic pages with relevant affiliate content. Optimize meta tags, including titles and descriptions, to reflect the value of the affiliate offers. Resubmit updated pages to Google for indexing if significant changes were made. Monitor the performance of your pages over time through Google Search Console. Adjust your strategy based on performance insights and continually refine your content. Regularly check for new keywords that may enhance your SEO traffic and affiliate conversions. Engage with visitor feedback and adapt your affiliate offers based on user needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.